So guys, sharing a simple more me came out the artificial intelligence means generative AI. And in today's generative AI video, I'm giving the ChatGPT 3.5 prompt writing introduction. Okay, I'm telling you about the ChatGPT 3.5 and prompt writing. I'm giving the introduction of it. So yeah, I'm telling you about it, and we are going in the depth of the generative AI. First, when our ChatGPT 3.5 series will be ended, then we start our ChatGPT 4.0 latest version. Then we start. First, let's learn about the ChatGPT 3.5 prompt writing. Let me give you the introduction of it. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, here you can see my more came out the generative AI, and in today's generative AI video I'm telling you about ChatGPT 3.5 prompt writing, and I'm giving you the introduction of it. So from now in generative AI, our ChatGPT 3.5 prompt writing series has been started. When this series has been ended, then we start our ChatGPT 4.0 version. Okay, but let's learn about ChatGPT 3.5 prompt writing introduction. So let me give you that introduction. So if you don't know what is ChatGPT, so let me tell you. ChatGPT is an AI that generates text based on text input. ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI and released as a beta in November 2022. Okay, you must know that ChatGPT, who make the ChatGPT, it developed by OpenAI, and when it released as a beta version in November 2022. ChatGPT grew. ChatGPT grew from 0 to 1 million to 1 trillion users in just 5 days. In just 5 days, ChatGPT grew from 0 to 1 million users in just 5 days only, and has continued to grow and continue it is growing down. He made 1 trillion users in the only one week or one month. Okay, ChatGPT can be used to create ChatGPT. When the ChatGPT is very useful, ChatGPT can use to understand the text, create the content, debug a code, education, research, translation, virtual assistant, and much more. Means if you ask anything from the ChatGPT, so it will be give you the answer in the 1 minute to only 1 or 5 seconds. In 1 minute or 5 seconds, it give you the answer. Okay, then the ChatGPT is used for it. The process of giving ChatGPT input is known as prompt writing. Means when the ChatGPT gives you the output, it known as the prompt writing or prompt engineering. Okay. Now let me tell you some general rules for prompt writing. Let me tell you some general rules. The first prompt provides a starting point or direction for ChatGPT. The response follows the same tone, context, and style as the prompt. Here are some general rules for writing the prompts for ChatGPT 3.5. First is start simple. It start with a simple prompt and build on it. Number 2, call to action. It start the prompt with an action, but like in the double commas write or double commas create or double commas summarize instead of double commas can you. Number 3, add context. You add a specified relevant context to the tasks you want to perform to ChatGPT. Number 4, add exceptions. You add and clear and direct exceptions for the content like how long it should be and what to include. In this example, with the following prompt, when you write this following prompt, response from generative AI, in this case ChatGPT could be response this type of output. Let me show you. Let me copy it and let me go on my ChatGPT and let me write it. Okay. So then it give you the, here you can see it is giving the output in the 1 to 5 seconds. Here you can see it start to give you the output, and it is also telling you why you choose this type of toys. Okay, so here you can see it. You want any question, if you want any question like any question you ask to the ChatGPT, so it will be answer you like very fastly, like into 1 to 4 seconds. Let me show you one thing. Let me create a new chat and let me tell you what is my PC specs. So then I say what is my PC spec. So here you can see it is saying you right count click. So it is telling me the way how to see it. So here you can see like that. Or I say if I say generative, what is generative AI? So then enter press. So here you can see it is telling me in the very 5 seconds. So you can see 1 to 5 seconds telling me what is generative AI and why it is useful, what is the key features of it, what are common technology behind the generative AI, what is the applications of generative AI. Here you can see it like that. Here you can see it. And from the generative AI, you do not do this all thing. You will be, go on the website and you make your picture in the 4K like this, the ChatGPT like that. Or if you want to make a one thumbnail, if I say I am making a cover page on on YouTube channel, build a cover page for me related to programming for YouTube banner with his size also. Now when I say it now, it has me start to building a one cover page for me. Here you can see what the ChatGPT can do. Very people will ask this. This the ChatGPT can do. Here you can see it. It is like build up. Here you can see it. It built up one beautiful size of the size and beautiful cover page for me for the YouTube channel. Here you can see it with the accurate size. Here you can see it like this type of things the ChatGPT can do. Here you can see it in the see the banner only for how the beautiful it is. Here you can see it like that. Or you want to make a thumbnail for if you want to make a thumbnail, so say the ChatGPT now make a thumbnail for me, but it generate only 3 to 4 pictures, then it will not generate. But if you want to generate more pictures, so you want to purchase the paid version of the ChatGPT. So here you can see it gives me the thumbnail. If I say size of thumbnail is 1280 by 720. Now here you can see it is start to generating it like that. Here you can see it. In this day you will be only generate 5 pictures. Then in the next day then you will be generate 5 pictures. Okay. But in the one day you will not generate like 10, 20, 40 pictures. Not okay. In the paid version you can do this. Okay. So here you can see it make a thumbnail for me, and you can also download it from here. Here you can see it. And if I paste one thumbnail, okay, this is my thumbnail, and then I'm saying it convert this thumbnail in 4K quality. So here you can see it like that. It is analyzing it. Okay, here you can see it like that the ChatGPT can do. So here you can see it like that. You can the ChatGPT can do. And here you can see it, my 4K thumbnail has been. So here you can see it. He say the thumbnail has been converted to 4K quality. You can download using this link below. When I click it, so you can see it, my thumbnail has been downloaded. So let me see the before and after result. So let's come on it here. Let me open this thumbnail. This is the without the 4K quality. This is the with the 4K quality. So let's see the difference of it. This is the without 4K quality, and this is the 4K quality. Here you can see it. Many difference in it. Here you can see it. Many difference in it. Like that. Like that you can do it. Here you can see it. So now, like that you can do the things using the ChatGPT. So okay, this is the ChatGPT is provided me, and this is the let me close it. This the ChatGPT can provided me, and this is the real one. I by the mistake I opened the second one. Okay, so that's why. So now this is the real one. Okay, in the real one it is looking like this, but in the ChatGPT one it is. So here you can see it. In the ChatGPT one it is looking like this, and in the real one it is looking like this. Here you can see many difference in it. Here you can see it. Like that, you can convert your picture into 4K quality also. So now here you can see in today's video I give just some a little bit introduction and to the generative AI. Okay, I give the chat. I told you about the ChatGPT 3.5 prompt writing introduction in generative AI. So our series has been started of the generative AI. So now I hope you enjoy this class. In today's video of the generative AI, I told you about in the ChatGPT what a 3.5 prompt writing introduction. I give you it in the generative AI. So I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell. Also never miss any future related videos about the generative AI. So now I'm making next lesson next very amazing related data videos. So for today, goodbye.